What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Jeremy Funderburk here, author of Never Work the 40 and the leader of the Never Work the 40 movement. And I want to welcome you to this video on the strategies for scaling your SMMA. As a social media marketing agency, you may have reached a point where you're just ready to grow and to scale your business to a new level. And in today's video, we're going to discuss some strategies that you can use right now to scale your SMMA to a new height. So if you're ready to grow, if you're ready to make some serious money in your business, let's dive in. So you probably guessed it, but the first tip is to define your target audience. Before you can scale your social media marketing agency, it is important to define and know who is your target audience. Define your target audience and understand their needs and their pain points. This will help you to create a more targeted marketing strategy and tailor a marketing message to reach a specific audience, and you can tailor your services to meet their specific needs. Now, the second tip is to create a system. Scaling your SMMA requires a system that can handle the increased workload. Create a system that streamlines your process and allows you to take on more work and do it more efficiently. Now, this could include creating SOPs or standard operating procedures, automating certain tasks, and using project management tools to stay organized. The third tip is to hire the right people. As you scale your SMMA, you will need the right people to help you grow. I don't know what I would do without my team. I could guarantee you would not be seeing this content if it wasn't for my team. Look for individuals who are passionate about your social media marketing agency, and they have the skills and the expertise to actually help you grow and to hit the results that you're looking for. Make sure they align with your company values, your company culture, and that they're actually able to work together as a team. The fourth tip that no one likes to hear is invest in marketing. To scale your SMMA, you will need to invest into marketing. This can include creating content to showcase your expertise, running targeted ads, and attending industry events and building connections and relationships with other experts and professionals. Marketing is essential for getting your name out there, growing your brand so that you can attract new clients. The fifth tip is to diversify your services. As you scale your agency, consider diversifying your services so that you can appeal to a wide range of clients. This could include offering additional social media platforms like TikTok or Snapchat, or expanding to other areas like SEO, email marketing, or web design. Diversifying your services can help you to stand out in the market and appeal to clients that are looking for a full-service marketing agency to do their work. The sixth tip is to focus on client retention. While it's important to focus on attracting new clients as you scale your agency, it's equally important to retain the clients that you currently have. Keep your existing clients happy by delivering results, providing excellent customer service, and communicating regularly. Happy clients can lead to referrals and help you grow your business via word of mouth. Tip number 7 is to set goals and to track your progress. As you scale your SMMA, set goals and make sure that you're tracking your progress so you know exactly where you're at. Identify key performance indicators or KPIs that you want to improve. Things like revenue, client retention, or even social media engagement. Use analytics tools to track your progress and make the adjustments accordingly. Setting goals and tracking your progress can help you to stay focused and motivated as you're scaling your agency to the next level. So, scaling your agency, it takes dedication, hard work, and a strategic approach, but by defining your target audience, creating systems, hiring the right people, investing into marketing, diversifying your services, focusing on client retention, and setting goals, you can scale your agency and you can achieve a new level of success. So there you have it. I hope you all found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. We really would appreciate it. And be sure to subscribe to the channel so that way you can get more tips, tricks, and strategies on how to grow and scale your social media marketing agency. And if you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you'll enjoy the video that's somewhere here on the screen. But I want to thank you all for watching. See you next time.